Hey Ranties, welcome to another episode of RantTime. This video isn't a rant for once and is part of my Everything Apple. So in this week's video I will talk you through how to add SSDs to your Apple Mac Pro. For those of you who are thinking about enhancing or in the middle of upgrading your Mac Pro in 2018, this is the video for you. This video will show you how to add SSDs to your Mac Pro while keeping full use of your hard drive sleds. I will link all products used in this video in the description below, and with that being said, let's get started. Let's unbox the hard drive adapters and see what we get in the package. The box provided is a typical cardboard box with the logo printed on, and included are manuals, warranty information and promotional info. We get a nice set of black screws that we're going to use later. So here's the pack of screws that I told you about earlier. You have 4 screws to hold the hard drive and another 4 screws to mount the adapter to the sled. The adapter is made from plastic. While it looks metal and looks like a high quality product, it's still a plastic adapter. So no heat or cooling benefits will really be affected by this item. That being said, they look cool and they work perfectly for the job. So let's unlock your Mac Pro. For those of you that have never opened your Apple Mac Tower before, it's a simple latch on the back that lifts up, and now you can pull your side panel away from the computer. Next, I remove the sleds from my Mac Pro. They pull straight out and require a small amount of force. So installing the SSDs into the adapter is simple. Just line up the SSD to the SATA mounts and push them together to connect them properly. Flip over the adapter and add your 4 mounting screws to fully secure the SSD. I see a lot of videos online where people have SSDs floating inside their case, just pushed into the mounts and left hanging, and for the price of a few adapters it's not worth the risk of damaging your SSD or SATA mounts. Now it's time to connect the adapter to the sled. Make sure you position the sled the right way around and tighten down the screws slowly and equally around all corners. We'll be using the same 4 screws that was already on the sled to begin with, but you can change these if you need to. Again, tighten in opposite placements to give the best contact and allow the adapter to fit flush to the sled. Hard work is done, it's time to add the drives back into the machine. Simply line up the sleds and push them in, making sure they are secure with no wobbles. Reattach the side panel and lock the panel in place with the lever at the back, and you're all done. You now have added SSDs to your Mac Pro using the adapters. If you like this video and think I should do more on upgrades to a Mac Pro or other Apple products, please subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks for tuning in to RantTime. See you in the next video.